Okay, so let's continue our discussion in integration by parts. So examples na tayo. Okay, so example number 4 na tayo. The integral of x cubed times e raised to x dx. Okay. So let's try to solve example number 4. Yan, the integral of x cubed times e raised to x dx. Okay, so you can see you have two functions multiplied with each other. So obviously, mag-a-apply tayo ng IBP dito. Okay? So, let u be equal to x cubed. So, our du will be equal to 3x squared dx. So, nag-a-apply lang kayo ng differentiation, ha? Derivative. And then, the integral of dv, yan, dv is equal to the integral of e raised to x dx. And our v, when you integrate si e raised to x dx, that will be equal to e raised to x. Okay? Integral to ay hindi derivative. So, take note of that. And then, we can write our solution as the integral of x cubed e raised to x dx is equal to u, that is x cubed. Tapos yung dv natin, v I should say, uv, following the formula, x cubed times v is e raised to x minus the integral of v and then du, that is 3x squared dx. So we can isolate si 3 dito. So this will be equal to x cubed e raised to x minus 3 the integral of e raised to x times x squared dx. Okay, so ito na yung sinasabi ko na mag-apply ulit tayo ng IBP because there are still two functions multiplied to each other. So mag-let u ulit tayo dito. Let u be equal to x squared. So our du be equal to 2x dx. Okay? And then, okay, so tanggalin natin si dx dito. Wait lang. Yan, si dx as well as here. Okay. And then, let the integral of dv be equal to the integral of e raised to x dx. So our v will be equal to e raised to x. So this will be equal to x cubed e raised to x minus 3. So maglagay tayo ng bracket para hindi tayo malito sa simplification. So we have u, that is x squared. And then v natin is e raised to x minus the integral of e raised to x, and du is equal to, meron pala dapat dx talaga dito. Sorry e raised to x times 2x dx. Okay? So ito na ngayon yung new working expression natin. And then we can simplify that. Dito na lang sa kabila natin ituloy. Sorry. This will be equal to x cubed e raised to x minus, distribute natin si 3 dito, both terms. This will be equal to minus 3x squared e raised to x. And then negative times negative is positive. And then i-isolate natin si 2. So negative 2 times negative 3, that is positive 6. And then the integral of e raised to x times x dx. Okay, so since meron pa rin tayong dalawang function multiplied to each other, apply ulit natin yung IBP. So let u be equal to x hanggang maging hanggang pwede na siyang ma-integrate dito sa part na to. Okay? So let u be equal to x, du be equal to dx, and then the integral of dv be equal to the integral of e raised to x dx. So our v is equal to e raised to x. So this is equal to x cubed e raised to x minus 3x squared e raised to x plus 6 times u, that is x, and then v is ex. So x ex minus the integral of v, that is e raised to x, and du is equal to dx. So from here, pwede nang hindi na natin kailangan mag-IBP because we only have one function left to integrate. So simplifying, we have x cubed times e raised to x minus 3x squared times e raised to x plus, distribute natin si 6. So, 6x e raised to x minus 6, and the integral of e raised to x dx is e raised to x. So, 6 e raised to x. So, this, don't forget si plus c. So, this is our final answer for example number 4. Okay? So, if kailangan na ulit-ulitin nyo yung IBP, pwede. Okay? Okay, so let's try another example. The example number 5, the integral of e raised to x cosine x dx. Okay, so number 5, the integral of e raised to x cosine x dx. So, since obviously meron tayong dalawang functions multiplied, apply natin si IBP. So, let u be equal to cosine x, and then du, the derivative of cosine x, is equal to negative sine x dx. So the integral of dv will be equal to the integral of e raised to x dx. V is equal to e raised to x. So the integral of e raised to x cosine x dx is equal to u, that is cosine x, times e raised to x minus the integral of v, and then du, negative sine x dx. Okay? So, simplifying, we have e raised to x cosine x. Ilabas na lang natin si negative, so that will be plus the integral of e raised to x sine x dx. Okay? So, apply ulit natin si IBP. Let u be equal to sine x, du be equal to cosine x dx, and then the integral of dv be equal to the integral of e raised to x dx. V is equal to e raised to x. Okay? So, from there, simplify ulit tayo. We have e raised to x cosine x plus u, that is sine x, and then v is e raised to x minus the integral of v times si du natin is cosine x dx. Okay? So, simplify natin. This will be equal to the integral of e raised to x cosine x dx is equal to e raised to x cosine x, and then plus e raised to x sine x, and then minus the integral of e raised to x cosine x dx. Okay. So, looking at our equation, yung original formula natin or original expression natin is the same as this one. So, kasi kapag tinuloy natin na i-IBP pa to, babalik lang tayo dito. So, hindi tayo matatapos. Magiging chain lang siya. Magiging pattern lang siya. So, ang gagawin natin is to cancel this one. How? I-transpose natin dun sa kabila, i-combine natin dito since same naman sila na term. Okay? So, this is e raised to x cosine x dx. Tapos, i-transpose natin to since same sila. Same sila, di ba? So, i-transpose natin yan, magiging positive e raised to x, integral of e raised to x cosine x dx is equal to e raised to x cosine x plus e raised to x sine x. Okay? So, since common to, pwede natin silang i-isolate. So, we have e raised to x cosine x dx, or that will be equal to, this is equal to 2 times the integral of e raised to x cosine x dx. Okay? And equal to e raised to x cosine x plus e raised to x sine x. And para matira to sa left side natin, divide natin both sides by 2. Bakit ititira natin the integral of e raised to x cosine x dx natin? So that our final answer would be the integral of e raised to x cosine x dx, which is originally what we are looking for, the integral of this one. So if we cancel 2, yung nasa right side na natin will be the final answer. Okay, so this is our final answer for example number 5. Okay, so that is example number 5. Now let's try the last example. We have the integral of secant cube x dx. Okay, sulat muna natin dito. The integral of secant cube x dx. So what we will do is to break down this function. So we can rewrite this as the integral of secant squared x times secant x dx. So, from there, mag-a-apply na tayo ng IBP natin. Okay? So, let u be equal to secant x and du will be equal to secant x tan x dx. So, the integral of dv will be equal to the integral of secant squared x dx, and our v will be equal to tangent x. Okay, so the integral of secant cube x dx is equal to u, that is secant x, times v, that is tan x, minus tan x, and du is secant x tan x dx. Okay, so from there, pwede tayong mag-simplify ulit. This is secant x tan x minus the integral of secant x tangent squared x dx. Okay, so from here, sa trigonometric identities natin, recall that tangent squared x is equal to secant squared x minus 1. So we can replace si tangent squared x with this one para maging uniform na lang yung gagamitin natin na trigonometric identity. So this is equal to secant x tangent x minus the integral of secant x times secant squared x minus 1 dx. So if we try to simplify this one, the integral of secant cube x dx is equal to secant x tan x, yan, minus the integral of secant cube x dx plus the integral of secant x dx. Okay, so diniretso ko na. If we try to simplify this one, magiging secant cube x minus secant x. Okay, so since this is negative, magiging negative secant cube x dx, and then negative times negative, that will be positive secant x dx. Okay, so from here, ito, pwede natin ulit siyang ilipat dito sa kabila and then combine it here. So this will be equal to secant cube x dx. Since this is minus, magiging plus dito sa kabila. Secant cube x dx equal to secant x tan x. And what is the integral of secant x? That is ln secant x plus tan x. So positive ln of secant x plus tan x plus c. I don't know kung nakapaglakay ako ng plus c kanina sa example natin. Oh, sorry. Dapat may plus c to. Okay, so i-correct ko lang. Plus c. Ayan. So don't forget sa mga final answers nyo sa exams or quizzes, dapat may plus c tayo. So simplifying this one, this is 2 times the integral of secant cube x dx equal to secant x tan x plus ln of secant x plus tan x plus c. Okay? So, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, divide natin to with 2 so that our final answer will be this one. Okay, so that is integration by parts.